You might be able to hear up there. Benno's recording guitars right now. Jake asked me to run up and grab him a couple bevs. He spent a good amount of time adding an acoustic guitar to Beam Drink Rest. Kind of frustrated him a bit because the cadence that Nick wanted was a little different than what Jake was used to, but figured the time on it would be worth it and just trusted the process. And Jake ripped 3-4 lead vocal takes for Beam Drink Rest as well, and those come out really good, really clean, really just, he's almost got kind of a country cowboy kind of twang on his voice when he does it, but it's a cool character for the song, and it's really coming together in a unique way. The guys really aren't too sure what we're doing on a minute by minute basis. Nick's got a lot of ideas, and we're just having a good time, taking some guidance and, you know, trusting the process. They just queued up on the road, and Benno's ripping guitar. Jake's ham smells like a frickin' Perkins. Well, what did Jake want? He said he needed fridge cig and 2 of his fancy waters. He really wanted. My bass parts are pretty much done. I really didn't have to pound it too hard, and it sounds like I may be done, other than another run through AIM. Benno wanted me to grab these guitar chord books, so I'm reading Mortal Kombat comic books, and I'm kind of on hold until